We're tying it together right now. I got the seat cover on Amazon. It has terrible reviews, but it's the only one that's not like $300. Amanda's out here helping me. She's reading the instructions for me.
Lay the cover upside down, tie a string on each of the loops located in the center, then position the cover over the seat cushion with the vinyl velvet strip in the center and the pockets in the front.
So I'm just tying all these strings on, and then we'll fit it on the seat and tie this on. It just ties on, really. I'm gonna tie one on. That means to drink, right? I might tie one on. I'm not really planning on it. I gotta wake up tomorrow and go on delivery. I don't want to tie one on too hard. In a world with no elastic, is where this was made.
Can we read them again?
There's not enough strings to go in all these loops.
Well, I think you're supposed to tie these two other parts of it so you can tighten it up, right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, maybe this goes like this.
That's it. Well, this is why you're supposed to read the instructions first. Pull the tie strings through from behind. Pull the seat belts through the openings provided.
I'm gonna bring the seat belts through.
Then position the top part of the seat cover over the backrest. Make sure the top corners fit each side.
Okay, yeah, we want this to be way down in there.
Well, this stuff will tighten down afterward. Locate the loops to the back of the backrest. Tie a string from center up to the loops located at the top of the seat cover to the left.
Men don't read instructions, so you've got to read them for them.
It's not so easy tying it under the seat in the dark. I'm doing it by feel. And I want to make sure that it stays nice and straight and looks good too. Well, we're just about out of light, so I'm gonna cut the camera off and I'll show you guys the finished product later. It looks like it's gonna hold up pretty good for a while, but the reviews say that it will deteriorate in 3 to 6 months. So here's how the seat cover turned out. Not bad. Let me get in here so you can see. Looks pretty good. Tie it on. See, it's connected down here. You just tie them on. The hard part was tying it under the seat. Looks pretty good. I got my tack hooked up. I got the seat cover on, looking good. Got a nice little rug in the floor. You can almost pretend that there's not holes in the floor. Yeah, I'm making some good truck progress.